Good day, young scientists! Welcome to a fun and exciting learning adventure with me. I'm Teacher Jeff, your science buddy. Have your pen, paper, and learning activity sheet ready. For today, we will learn about the major organs of the body. Before that, let's have a quick review on the previous lessons we had. Do you remember some materials that are useful and harmful to the environment? Yes, empty containers of milk and shampoo are examples of useful materials, while empty containers of pesticides, used battery, and broken bulb are examples of harmful materials to the environment. These materials are not just harmful to the environment, but also to humans. This time, let us talk about the major organs of the body. Are you ready? Let's get started. The human body is like a machine that is uniquely designed to perform different tasks made up of many cells, tissues, and organs that play specific roles. Organs also work in tandem to form different organ systems with different functions as well. Each internal organ of the human body has its own parts and functions and serves its own importance as it is being used on a daily basis. Our body is composed of different body organs which perform important functions. Let's talk about them. First is the stomach. Stomach is a sac-like container of food made from involuntary muscle. It contracts and relaxes in order to digest food. Foods are squeezed, churned, and twisted in the stomach. Foods rich in protein and made of fiber stay in the stomach for about 4 to 6 hours. Stomach contains digestive juices like pepsin to make digestion fast. Second are the intestines. Intestine is a long, continuous tube running from the stomach to the anus. Most absorption of nutrients in water happen in the intestines. The intestines include the small intestine and large intestine. The small intestine or small bowel is about 20 feet long and about an inch in diameter. Its job is to absorb most of the nutrients from what we eat and drink. The large intestine, also called colon or large bowel, which is about 5 feet long and about 3 inches in diameter. The colon absorbs water from waste, creating stool. As stool enters the rectum, nerves there create the urge to defecate. The third are the kidneys. Kidneys are bean-shaped paired organs which are about 4 to 5 inches long and 2 to 3 inches wide. The kidneys remove urea from the blood through tiny filtering units called nephrons. Kidneys are the major organs of the urinary system. The functions of the urinary system are to remove liquid waste from the blood in the form of urine and to keep a stable balance of salt and other substances in the blood and produce hormone that aids the formation of the body cells. The right kidney is slightly lower due to the presence of the liver on the right region of our body. The major metabolic waste produced by our body are filtered by kidneys in the blood like salt, water, and nitrogenous waste. Fourth is the heart. The heart is a hollow muscular organ located between lungs, and it is protected by the rib cage. It is about the size of your fist, and it is located in the middle of your chest cavity. The beating of the heart is due to the contraction of your cardiac muscles. The cardiac muscles are contracting involuntarily. It continues to pump blood as long as the person is alive, and even while we are sleeping. The contraction of the heart continues, allowing the heart to receive oxygen from the lungs and continues to contract and pumps blood to the rest of the body parts, including the lungs, through the blood vessels. The lungs filter the oxygen that enters our body because it contains a filtering structure to ensure that the heart receives clean oxygen from the lungs. The carbon dioxide is a waste materials removed from the body through the lungs. The heart and lungs support each other to allow distribution of nutrients and oxygen to all parts, and removal of carbon dioxide as a waste product in the body. Lastly is the brain. The brain is a highly complex organ of human beings. It is found in the head and is protected by the skull, a soft tissue called meninges, and a cushion of fluid. It weighs 1.5 kilograms and contains billions of neurons. Here are the functions of the brain. Number 1, it controls the involuntary activities of the body like thinking, solving problems, and memorizing details and decision making. Number 2, it controls the muscle movement of the body like walking and writing. Number 3, it coordinates muscular actions. Number 4, it is responsible for man's ability to learn habits and develop skills. Number 5, it maintains the person's sense of balance. 6, it connects the brain to the spinal cord. And number 7, it controls the involuntary muscles of the body and coordinates functions like beating of the heart. Alright, let's snug up a little, young scientists. Are you ready? Let's go! On page 3 of your labs, you will find Activity 1 with the title Pairing. This time, you are going to match column A to column B. Write the letter of your answer on your paper. What are you waiting for? Get your paper and pen and let's have it done. Let's start it! For number 1, it filters the oxygen that enters the body. What organ is it? Choose your answer in column B and write it on your paper. Let's go to number 2. It contains digestive juices like pepsin to make digestion fast. What major organ is it? Choose your answer in column B. Moving on to number 3. It removes body waste like urine and urea from the blood. Do you know what organ functions like this? See column B for your answer. Let's proceed to picture number 4. It processes information and sends instruction. Can you identify what organ is it? Again, choose your answer in column B and write it on your paper. Let's go to number 5. It pumps blood, allowing the distribution of nutrients in all parts of the body. What organ is it? Choose your answer in column B. And for number 6, it is where the final digestion and absorption of food takes place. Can you name it? Write the letter of your answer on your paper. Okay, are you done? I'll give you a few minutes to review. Have it your way, young scientists. On your paper, write the organ being referred in each of the following statements. Again, write the organ being referred in each of the following statements. Let's do it. Number 1, it helps you think, reason, and learn in school. Again, it helps you think, reason, and learn in school. What organ is it? Write your answer on your paper. Number 2, it helps you inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Again, it helps you inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. What organ is it? Write your answer on your paper. Number 3, it stores food and mixes with gastric juices for digestion. Again, it stores food and mixes with gastric juices for digestion. What organ is it? Write your answer on your paper. Number 4, it removes waste in the blood and sends it out as urine. Again, it removes waste in the blood and sends it out as urine. What organ is it? Write your answer on your paper. Number 5, it pumps the blood to the different parts of the body. Again, it pumps the blood to the different parts of the body. What organ is it? Again, write your answer on your paper. Are you done, kids? Were you able to answer all the questions? Great job! Keep your answer sheet and submit it to your advisor. Let's have some more activities. Please proceed to page 4 of your learning activity sheet, Activity 3, with the title, How Do I Work? This time, you will describe briefly the functions of the body organs shown on the screen. Are you now ready? Let's get started. For number 1, lungs. How does it work? Write your answer on your paper. Let's go to picture number 2. The heart. How does the heart works? Write your answer. Moving on to number 3. The stomach. What is your answer? Let's proceed to picture number 4. The intestines. What do they do in our body? Again, write your answer on your paper. For picture number 5, the kidneys. Write your answer. What are their functions? Here's the last picture. The brain. How do the brain works? Write it on your paper. Okay, are you done? I'll give you a few minutes to review your answers. Have it your way, young scientists. stomach, intestines, kidneys, heart, lungs, and brain are the major organs of the body. Each of them has different functions that help in the proper function of our body. That's it! I hope that you have learned something today. Great job! Always remember that in this time of pandemic, it's always safe to stay home. Observe physical distancing and stay